What is this? Poison?
Oh, excuse me.
잘 먹었다.
到了他应得的奖赏，传说中的宝藏。
Hey, Susie?
Who?
Me.
Goddess of creation.
Nada demais, gente.
And we still suck butts.
What was a what? Stranger diets. More cake for us.
Even the water sparkles. Pamplemousse. The belch of luxury. Either it's that or all the sparkling water. Nope, still feels bad.
I'm gonna tell you, I feel cool. Woo! That is new.
You mean I can come over again some...
No offense.
Why would I be offended?
I don't want to sound greedy, but a threesome and then a breakup? Or a foursome and I'm the pizza guy? Hey, what happens in Gestad stays in Gestad.
Pam! Come on! Oh, God, that wasn't just bear claw. What did you eat for breakfast?
Linguine and clam sauce.
God.
Would you wake up on the docks?
Oh, but I don't know about those clams.
You got it. You got it. Oops, still hungry, I guess.